Hey, MuttMutt here, and do not click that stop button yet. Just give me 30 seconds here, or about there. Anyway, this is my very first ocean dive. Like, literally, this is my first time doing it. I never expected to release the video, but I figure, hey, why not, right? Okay. 2, please like, subscribe, all that good stuff. I am trying to start a nonprofit that is going to take and allow people who, normally could not afford it, and people who especially have went through traumatic experiences and have a lot up here that they got to work through, be able to dive for free. I want to do this. You can help me do it. All it takes is clicking that like, subscribe, and share. Okay? That's it. All right. Enjoy the video. I'm out of here. Bye. Alrighty, so I was not kidding. That's all I've got for this video. It's really not a whole lot. There's a lot of other footage there. It's just really bad. Anyway, but it's my first dive, and you guys got to remember, when you're diving, your dive is first. Okay, so that's how it is. Oh, and those 2 divers at the end, the very last one, that was my dive guide, and the one right before that, the guy that's bald, his name is Chris, and interesting, he left. A few years later, I actually ended up meeting up with him and diving again, and we've conversed since then, and hopefully we'll get a chance to go dive again. So, you know what, even when you're having some of the worst times in your life, actually right before this dive had taken place, I had lost my wife. This was done in October of 2019, and my wife passed away right at the end of February. So it was very difficult for me, I guess is what I should say. Anyway, that's it. I'm out of here. Thanks for stopping by and watching. Please hit that thumbs up, get the likes in there, get the subs in there, share it with other people, get it out there. Like I said, this one's not great, but hey, you get to see a turtle in there, right? Did you see it? I hope so, because I pointed it out to you. All right, that's it. I'm out of here.